Hi, this is Shivat from BizSmashers and I'm a meta marketing specialist here. So today I'm gonna show you how should be a mortgage campaign strategy. So today I'm gonna run a mortgage hiring camp. They launch vacancy. They have two seats for their senior loan processors. So we are promoting the vacancies on Facebook and Instagram. So let's dive into the screen and let's see how it works. Here's the campaign name, the senior loan processor hiring, and this is simple. We don't test any campaign. If we gonna test the campaign, we should use the campaign budget, but we don't test. We directly launch the campaign. We use the ad set budget here, and because this is the employment post, so we use the special category here, employment, and the country United States. Let's jump into the ad set. This is the ad set. We are using instant forms for getting leads, and our bidding strategy or performance goal is maximize number of conversion leads. And scroll down, our daily budget is almost $15, and we have four targeted location. So let's scroll down. We have targeted four location here, but we don't use any kind of targeting or interest. We give it to the Meta AI. They know how to show our ads through in our audience who really interested in mortgage vacancies. So let's get in the ad how it shows in the feed. So we create a form here, lead form. Definitely I will show you later. So scroll down, there are nothing special is. Yeah, scroll down, and here's the form. We input a bunch of questions like do you have experience, or how many experience they have, in which field they have their specialties, some blah blah blah, lot of things. And this is the simple, but yeah, after this we will have a lot of things, and I will show you how should we automate this. So for seeing this, stay tuned with BizSmashers.